Alright, peeps. I know it's late and it's dark. Did the best I can with this light. But I am getting ready to kind of disassemble this thing. This is my ceramics kiln. It's not really finished yet. These bricks were given to me by my teacher. And I kind of got the general form down, but I'm finding some cracking on some of these upper bricks that weren't exactly in the best shape. So I'm going to have to basically tear it down, document it so I can put it back together the way it was, and then I'll be able to buy as many bricks as I need and basically put it all back together. I'm going to be using a half silica, half Lincoln clay mixture. When I have my bricks set up and they're all where I want them, I will be able to come up to these cracks and just basically slap it on there. And it apparently is semi-permanent, so if anything gets damaged, I'll be able to actually fix it. I mean, other than that, might as well just get to it. So this is where I'm at right now. I got it down to, I would say, about mid-layer. I'm thinking I'm gonna need around 20-25 bricks to make this thing work out. So let's hope that doesn't cost too much. It says on the website that it's got a price break at 25 bricks for $96. I thought this was kind of important. This is the inside of the kiln underneath the bottom shelf. So I have this basically center brick here that I filed down into a point. And what that does is it redirects the flame in two ways so that it kind of circulates inside here and blasts up the sides. So hopefully it works like I think it does, but I have only had failures so far. So we'll see how it goes when I get all the rest of my equipment